Dear audience, Assalamu alaikum. The topic that has been selected by me to speak on is Quaid-e-Azam on the occasion of his birthday. Muhammad Ali Jinnah, the founder of Pakistan, was born on 25 December 1876 in a house known as Wazir Mansion, located in Karachi. His father's name was Jinnah Punja and mother was Mithi Bai. He was a great politician and a well-known lawyer of his time. He struggled a lot for the freedom of Muslims of subcontinent and on the behalf of his extraordinary efforts. He was rewarded with the title of Quaid-e-Azam, the father of the nation, by Maulana Mazharuddin. He received his early education from Sindh Madrasatul Islam and Christian Missionary School. He went to England for higher education and got admission in Lincoln's Law School. At the age of 20, he enrolled in Mumbai High Court, and when he became to British India, he was the youngest one to enter the bar. When he started to take interest in political affairs of the nation and became famous in the next 3 years. The Advocate General of Mumbai invited him to work for his bar, and after 6 months offered a salary of 1,500 rupees per month, which was a huge amount at time, but he gently refused the offer and stated that he planned to earn 1,500 rupees daily and proved this possible by his father's efforts. But as the Governor General of Pakistan, he fixed 1 rupees as his monthly salary. He was a man of the judiciary and a sensible personality. Jinnah started his political career with the Indian National Congress in 1906. Then after 7 years, he joined the Muslim League. He struggled for the Congress and Muslim League to work together. But at the same time, he found that the culture of racialism of the subcontinent are sacrificing their cultural and social rights under the Hindus and British. Then he started his efforts for the freedom of Muslims of British India and planned to create an independent state where Muslims could feel the breath of freedom. The major strength was the unity of all Muslim organizations and the leadership of Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah, which unites all the Muslim organizations of Muslims of subcontinent of a same agenda to having a separate state. The creation of Pakistan is the result of bloodshed of thousands of freedom fighters as well as the leadership of Jinnah. Pakistan would not come into being without him. Finally, I would like to conclude my speech with the famous quotation of Muhammad Ali Jinnah. There is no power on earth that can undo Pakistan. Thank you so much. Pakistan Zindabad.
जब हमारे मुल्क के अंदर अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह हमारी बच्चियां और इसी तरह से नौजवान बच्चे इस किस्म के टैलेंट रखते हैं, तो फिर हमें किसी चीज़ का डर होना ही नहीं चाहिए। ये पाकिस्तान इंशाअल्लाह आने वाले दिनों के अंदर एक मिसाली मुल्क नजर आएगा और इन्हीं बच्चों के लिए और नौजवानों के जरिए ये पाकिस्तान ऐसा मिसाली होगा कि लोग इसकी तकलीफ, दूसरे ममालिक इसकी तकलीफ कर अपने आप को फख्र महसूस करेंगे इंशाअल्लाह।